This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding Roblox to your Discord status, allowing your friends to see what games you're playing. By following these steps, you can enable the feature that automatically displays your Roblox activity on Discord, as well as manually add it if necessary. Before you do this tutorial, make sure that your Roblox app is open so that you can follow the tutorial in the video. If your Roblox app is open the Discord app. While we're in the Discord app, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already open and logged in. While we're in the Discord app, click the settings icon, which is located at the bottom left of the screen beside the headset icon. As you can see, we are in the settings tab. While we're in the settings tab, scroll down until you locate the registered games tab in the activity settings section. After you locate the registered games tab, click it so that we can proceed. As you can see in the registered games tab, the Roblox Discord status is off. Just click the eye icon beside the flag icon so that you can toggle on Discord status. By enabling activity sharing and ensuring Roblox is recognized in your settings, you can easily display your gaming status on Discord. If you encounter any issues, remember to check your settings again or manually add Roblox as outlined. Enjoy sharing your gaming adventures with your friends.